Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer: we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that: we are not a buy or sell channel. Okay, we use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. All right, so if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, straight up, you're on the wrong stream. But if you're looking to learn how to trade these markets the right way, and of course, if you're looking to learn and trade the profitable Forex strategy live, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. Okay, I hope you guys are having a good day. We had a little surprise London session for you. Not too many people turned up. We had about 15 people, but those 15 people traded with cash, made some pips, learned a lot, and had a good session. Okay, so I hope you guys are doing well. Give me a second. I'm just firing Loom up. Okay. Okay. All right, so I've just charted up gold for you guys. A little bit of a move is potentially beginning to play out on gold. Okay, let me just get everything set. I'm going to share my screen with you, okay? Okay, I'm going to start to share my screen with you guys now. Okay, where are you at? Share screen, US 30. Let's go. Okay, so potential moves beginning to play out. Wait for news to happen, guys. We'll catch moves even post news. We don't need to be prematurely getting into anything. Okay, as you can see, today's not one of those days. Price actions not being respected too well. Okay, so let's take it easy and let's see what these markets really have in store for us today. Okay, so what I am picking up now on Nasdaq is some demand right there. Okay, demand stands for buyers, for the people that are new on here, and supply is the sellers. Okay, and we have some supply in that region. All right, let's see how it reacts around here, and then maybe we can start looking for some potential buys that could be coming into these markets. Okay, so what I am going to do is I'm going to get rid of let be. Same story over here, and let's take a look at Goldilocks. Okay, gold had that little fill to the downside. Let's go ahead and let's mark up this order block right here. Okay, so everything's falling right now. All right, so we're gonna have to see how news wants to begin to play out, and we're gonna try and catch it. Okay, Alpha DJN, my man, what's up? Yeah, we've been live on YouTube for quite some time, buddy. All right, so gold is tanking. Gold is tanking, and I'm seeing the formation of some supply in this region as well. Okay. And my one-on-ones, you guys should be seeing maybe a potential pattern that could begin to play out over here. So we have some short-term supply over here. Maybe the potential break of this could be nice. Okay, but if we start to get rejected from our demand, you guys could start possibly layering your positions as and when they go. Okay, but if y'all are angsty, look at that. Okay, and this would be a short-term scalp. I'm not going to be giving this to you guys. Bigger breaker structure is going to be up above there. Okay. Try to get maybe all of that. And of course, if the sellers want to kick back in, they're going to be down here. Okay. Aggressive sell buys from here or from here. Gold, water falling. Let's mark up the 5 minute resistance that we are forming right here, right? Oh, wow. Did you guys see that bounce from demand? We don't need that no more because we're respecting demand. Okay, my bad. I didn't go through the chat. I'm gonna quickly go through it. We've got about 4 more minutes. Sup guys? Good morning, Jules. Good morning, Bharat. Morning, Zero. P2, Serious Dan, Gameski, Kyle, Anuj, DeepMind, Baha, Joel. What's up, guys? Good morning. I hope you're having a good day. Um, and let's go ahead and have a good session. Okay. All right. Gold can go either way at this point. Let's take a quick look at the Scalper Pro. All right. So we're oversold on the fives. We're potentially trying to go oversold on this as well on the 15s. 40 may potentially be coming down to test the 50. Okay. Ranging so far. What will our positions look like on gold? If this wants to happen, if we want to continue to sell off, we're going to be looking at naturally the break of our demand zone. Okay, so we could break the approximately 1900.3 region to get this whole liquidity fill that exists over here. Okay, now the ones that are on the one-on-ones with me, y'all know what a liquidity grab is, right? If this market wants to go really, really bullish, there's a very good chance that we're going to fill that zone. Now, this may present itself um, in terms of a stop loss hunt. It may present itself in terms of an impulsive candle that gives you the move and then wicks back up. It can do all of that, but know that it can, and at some point it will. Okay, so let's see how it happens. It's not necessarily is going to happen right now as well, but best believe that it's going to happen at some point. Okay. I'd like the buys technically from here, but I'm just giving you guys safer positions today. And your stop loss is up to you. Okay, please don't ask me where your stop loss needs to be. Your stop loss is a variable depending on your trading style and your risk management. Okay, if you're using, if you're going to be using big lots, you're going to have a tight stop loss. If you're going to be using smaller lots, your trade will be able to breathe. That's up to you guys. Okay, got news in the next 1 minute. Excuse me. I think it goes without saying over here where the sells are at, right? On the break of our demand. Okay, the break of this demand is right here. And Nasdaq here as well. Let's see. 1 minute to go. My bad. 30 seconds to go. I have an order set up for Nasdaq for the buys, where you see my boxes. Okay, so let's see if that wants to play out. Let's see if they're gonna give us the move. They may or may not. Okay, but news in the next 5 seconds. Let's have a good one. Don't be over leveraging your accounts, guys. This is news. Okay, positive news. No movement. Okay, positive news again. Positive news. Okay, overall positive. Let's see. There's barely any volume right now, okay? Negative building permits. And negative building permits high impact. which is why let's see now how they want to pick back up from here. Okay, so I would start to look for something like this in case the buys wanted to kick in, and this is going to be as it is. I'm going to throw some alerts onto gold. This is the more aggressive long position if you're going to be scalping, and if you're going to be getting in on your bigger position, it's going to look something like that. Okay, so I'm going to throw some alerts on just so that just so that we don't end up missing moves. Okay, as long as we break past that 9, we should have the momentum to push up zone to zone to potentially the 200. Okay. Gold potential bicep. Yes. Okay. We don't have the momentum right now. Listen, this is going to be the make or break point for Nasdaq. Okay. This structure that you're seeing right here, what I've marked out for you guys. If we happen to break this, we're going to have some momentum that's going to try and kick into these markets. Okay. But as of right now, it doesn't seem like we have the volume to do so. As you all can see, the Scalper Pro as well. Excuse me. The Scalper Pro as well. Nothing. We're just ranging between the 70 and the 30 as of right now. Okay. All right. Now, if we happen to break, I will get triggered in. I'm not looking for too much. I'm looking for my 10 pips. If you don't feel comfortable, wait for the close and the retest. Okay. And we'll see how it goes then. Okay. Is anyone new on here on Zoom? Anyone new to the stream? Anyone's first time? Or do we have all our existing members, our army of millionaires here? New. Okay, welcome. Welcome to Forex Trading. It's a pleasure to have you guys here. Okay. There you go. Gold's having that pop. Impulse. Listen, y'all know what we're looking for on gold, right? We're looking for a close. Okay, you want the candle to close. You want the candle to retest. You also want the candle to reject. And then you sort of want a nice little potential push. Okay. Buys are starting to look good on gold. Um, this is starting to look good to me as well, but we're sitting right there. We're sitting at that EMA. Okay. Let's see if we want to get actually break past that. Okay. I'm triggered in on my smaller position. I'm going to wait for this candle to close in the next 30 seconds and wait for a potential retest. And then I'm going to get it again. Okay, we're sitting right at the EMA. Let's see. The last 30 seconds are super important of these candles, guys, because in the last 30 seconds, we could literally just wick back down and not close in our box, and then it wouldn't be a BOS. Okay, so let's see if they're going to close in our box. They kind of did. All right, a little bit of a retest. Come on, break that EMA. Break that goddamn EMA. Nasty. Same story, same sort of situations going on with the dirty as well. Okay, break, retest. Let's see if they want to push. Let's see if they want to push. And gold's hitting TP. We break this on gold. We're looking to potentially go there. Next stop there. Okay. I'm in on a small position as of right now. I'm going to wait for a retest and a break of that, and I will be trigger finger to get in on this, okay? This is the reason why I'm in on a small position, by the way, as of right now, because I wouldn't be surprised if price wants to come back down and test this area again or even this area again. So I've gotten in a position that's so small that even if it wants to go back here, um, even if it wants to go back here, I'll still be able to hold it. All right. I'm just watching Nasdaq really closely. Give me a second, guys. Gold may have a little bit of a retest somewhere in this region before picking back up. Okay. Wow. Guys, I'd appreciate if y'all could mute your mics. Okay. Yeah, I got everyone muted. All right. Someone's got a bad throat. Or a bad entry. Good one, Deep Mind. Good one. I like that. Okay. We're watching. It's slow, you guys. It's slow. Right. I'm almost starting to feel that we should have taken the day off. Um, but it is what it is. We're gonna watch. I am new. Should I trade? It's completely up to you. My recommendation would be pick up the things that we're talking about. Start on a demo account. Practice on a demo account, and when you feel confident, hop into the markets. Okay. Gold dumped. Still a retest, Shelby. Still a retest. Okay. Like I said, we could certainly retest this area as well. Look at that. Now we're coming back down to test the demand. Let's see where they hold. I have a bespoke funding 10K account, one in a giveaway. Awesome. Good for you. I haven't heard of the broker, but please make sure that they're regulated. And if they are, knock yourself out. Go ahead and trade. Okay. Slow session. I can see people starting to leave the call, which is okay. But it's a slow session. All right. It is what it is. There's not much that we can do. Come on. There you go. And now they're coming back down. Some momentum kicking in. I'm still in on this, all right? My stop loss is going to be all the way down here. I'm in with a really small position, so I'm okay to hold 20 pips in drawdown. It really is not going to hurt my account. It's a really small position. We just need enough momentum to break that, guys. That's all we need the momentum for, you know. And then we're going to go zone to zone and get our 10 pips. Gold's coming back down. Retest this demand over here. Um, this wick fill is definitely something that I am thinking about. Okay, not gonna lie, but this is just too good to be true. You know, when you trade these markets long enough, you realize when traps are being set. Um, let's see. We're also building into a little bit of a pennant. If you guys can see that one on ones, you people should be seeing this. But we are coming into a little bit of a pennant right here within the zone of distribution. Um, let's see. Okay, there you go. Back down. No confirmation, you guys. No confirmation as yet. All right, y'all know what we're looking for. We're looking for a close in our box, and that's when the trade is triggered. Okay, do you guys have any courses on Forex? I want to learn. Yes, we do. We have a mentorship program, Geeta, here at Forex Trading. We have 170 people that are part of the program. We do one-on-one sessions that's customized to your current understanding of these markets, and yeah, yeah, they're pretty bang on, and they're a lot of fun. There's also a wait time, but we have an express package that you could go for if you'd be interested to learn. Even if you're a beginner, we make things easy for you from scratch. Okay, Cash Effects, my partner, and myself, we have designed this course through all of our learnings in the past 8 years in these Forex markets. And we just give you guys the information that you'll need, nothing more, nothing less. We don't believe in shortcuts. And if I'm not wrong, Cash was telling me that out of the two spots yesterday, one got taken and the other one is still open. I think the person made us wait and didn't take the spot or something of that sort. I'm not too sure, but there is still one spot open. Okay. So if you guys, and please only message us if you're serious. That's a humble request. Don't waste our time. Only message us if and when you're serious about taking it. So asking about it is fine, but if we send you guys the booking message and all of that, we basically block the slot for you guys without you all paying. So don't do that. Don't waste our time. And yeah, just let us know if you're interested. There's one spot left. Kindly provide the link or something to the course. No, message up. Open. You could do one of two things. All right, message on the Forex server on general chat, and just say hi. I'm interested on the one-on-ones. Or you could open a support ticket on the Forex server, and someone from the team, most likely Cash Effects, will take care of you at the time. Okay. You're welcome, Geeta. Okay. Rejections are certainly coming in on Nasdaq. I'm still in on Nasdaq, you guys. I'm still in on this trade. Um, Waiting for a nice little pop. Okay, but for you guys, the ones that have just joined, what are y'all looking for? Like I said, you're looking for the candle to close in our box. You're looking for the retest, and you're then looking for the rejection from that retest, and you want the break of the structure. You want to break the impulsive candle. Okay, that will be your ideal entry with your big lots. It's like London, maybe moves come in a while. The moves will come, guys. The moves came yesterday as well, but it's just I personally don't like trading a choppy market because for me that's not a fun thing to do. All right, so if I see choppiness, I just get off the market and look at it later. We don't have to take a trade every single day. We don't have to take a trade on every single session. It's okay to to be at a break even position or not get in on a trade rather than getting in on a risky trade. You know what I mean? Okay. Gold push back up. Did anyone get in on the rejections, or is anyone still in on the gold position? Gold is showing some potential to go bullish. I would like the break of that high, sort of aligning with the break of 50. That's what I'd like. Okay. But like I said, this seems really fishy to me. Okay. This seems um, like a trap. All right. We're still holding true to the pennant. Similar story here. Let's see. We're basically just sideways trading right now. That's what's going on. Okay. Waiting for clear one. I got out of gold and in on Nasdaq. Awesome. Should I set TP on Nasdaq or leave it open? It depends, man. It's up to you. Take out partials. I think that's a good thing to do. Today market is giving unnatural movements. That's wrong, Sharik, because the truth is these are the natural movements. The volume that bursts into these markets, that's what's unnatural. You'll see the markets do that 20% of the time, and you'll see the markets do this 80% of the time. So this is more the natural movement that's meant for the retail traders to fail, um, rather than those big candles, right? That's the way I look at it, at least. Sudeep Vlogs, hey, welcome to Forex Trading. Prasanjit Mundal, hi. Susie, what's up? How are you doing, Susie? Alpha T Jen. Okay, let's see, you guys. Let's see. How many of y'all hopped on to the surprise session Cash held for y'all today? How many of y'all got in on it? I was a little caught up, so I didn't. Cash told me there were a few of you, and y'all learned a lot. Zero, awesome. Game ski, love it. Missed it. I don't blame you guys. All right, it was just Cash was in the mood, and she was like, "I'm gonna get it done." And I was like, "All right, go for it. Knock yourself out. It's your session." And she came on for you guys. Didn't manage to. It's all good. It's all good. Okay. Refer to the schedule. Gonna be back from tomorrow. Made some pips after it by the zone she gave. Awesome. Yes, her zones are bang on as always. I'm glad you guys are even um, using the zones post session, because the ones that are doing that realize that we're trading break of structure. So good for you guys. Congratulations. All right, slow markets. Very, very, very slow markets. I'm not liking it, to be fair, but it is what it is. Sadly missed it. Didn't see reminder. Yes, Neha, because it was excuse me. It was a surprise session. It wasn't on the schedule. Will Cash post a session on YouTube? It automatically gets posted. Go and check it out on our Forex server in the past streams channel. It should be there, or if it's not there right now, it'll be up shortly. Okay. Still respecting that pennant. Let's see, you guys. Okay, sorry, our dogs are going crazy. Hmm. These are the sort of markets that make me sleepy, guys. The new people on here who have joined for the first time, um, do you guys trade funded accounts, or do you all trade the retail accounts, the regular accounts? What are you all using? We have a lot of people from the community that use funded accounts, as ourselves. Cash uses a funded account. I don't use a funded account as of right now. But how many of y'all are funded traders? Or how many of y'all are in the evaluation process? Retail account in phase one. Do you clear funded accounts? No, we don't do it for you guys. Absolutely not. We're a pure educational channel. Um, and we're never going to be a copy trading service. We're here to teach you guys about these markets. Another evaluation, MFF, eval, funded, goal pushing down again. Yeah. Retail. Okay, so we've got a mixed bag over here, which is nice. Um, they're both good in their own ways. It's just that with the fundeds, it's such a beautiful business model that it really attracts a lot of people into it. but it's not it's not as easy as it seems. It's something that can really make or break a trader, but with determination, with grit, and with the mindset of always getting better and learning, the funded accounts become a piece of cake, right? After a certain point, you realize it's all about risk management, nothing more, nothing less. I'm from India recently, and by a funded account, prop firm, my Forex fund. Please suggest how to pass. I can't be doing that for you, brother. My only suggestion would be to invest in your learning and make sure you're using the right risk management. Okay? There's no shortcut. If anyone tells you anything that follow this strategy and you'll pass it, they're bullshitting. Okay? There are no strategies that are going to help you in these markets. You have to learn about these markets. Pick up a style of trading. That's what you can do, but don't run after a strategy. Okay? What we do over here is known as price action. It's basically us reading these candles for y'all, identifying our zones of support and resistance, and just trading them zone to zone. That's a style of trading. It's not a strategy. You know what I mean? So don't chase a strategy, and keep learning, um, and use risk management, because that's the recipe to clearing these accounts. Let's see if it retests under 1900. You're most welcome, buddy. Yeah, we've got to see. We were dancing around psychological areas yesterday as well. I don't think the cells are going to kick in, to be honest. This if I was trading gold right now, I'd actually be looking to possibly layer up some buys to the bigger breaks. Okay, but that would just be a tiny position. Still on Nasdaq? Yes, I'm still on Nasdaq. My stop loss for Nasdaq is going to be below this demand zone. So if we happen to break down here, that's when I'm going to get stopped out. And again, it's a really small position, so it's not too much. Literally, just look at the markets today, you guys. Everything is in the grays on the Forex Scalper Pro, um, which means everything is within a range as of right now. Which is sideways trading. Distribution. Um, and this is trying to do something. Bro, I think gold is going to fall today. Yeah, it's possible, man. At least down to that region. It's very possible. It's very, very possible. Especially for that wick fill, man. Liquidity grabs and wick fills are real. Okay. They happen all the time. Nasdaq. Okay. I'm going to see in the next 53 seconds. If this wants to close down here, I am going to stop myself out of the position, and I'm not going to look for sells. Simple, right? I have no reason to short this market as of right now. I'll wait for price to do its thing, and that's when I will get on any sort of moves. Okay, we're super close to the early swap as well in the next 4 minutes. So let's see. I'm waiting for this candle to close. If you guys want to get in on the shots, get in on the shots. It's fine. Okay, I'm watching it really closely. Okay, I'm stopping myself out right now, guys. Okay, I got stopped out. All right, so I lost $100. $5 a pip was my position, and I got stopped out for about 20 pips, plus my commissions, $105. No problem, no biggie. Okay, I'm gonna wait because I don't have a reason to be shorting this market as of right now. All right. So if any of you guys took that L with me, it's a small one. It should have been only a feeler. It should have been only a small position to begin with. Okay. Because we don't have confirmation in these markets as yet. I'm down 150. Okay. What I'd like to do at a time like this is I'd like to switch this over to supply. All right. Let's see if it respects it as supply right now. Same story over here. Okay. Anyone in on the US 30? All right. I like that rejection on gold. Anyone in on the sells, guys? Anyone at all? Sell positions? Nope. Okay. Sells don't make sense. No. Listen, the way I trade, guys, for the ones that are new on here, the way I trade, I always look for a reason to get in on any positions. Okay, as of right now, this is not respecting price action, and there's no reason for me to short this market. So I'm not going to get in on sells, even if this market wants to sell off for the next 100 pips. I'm okay with it. I look for a reason to get in on a trade, and I don't have that now. Question: if I open a new demo, should I choose raw spreads or standards? It really doesn't matter, buddy, because at the end of the day, your broker is going to take their commissions, whatever you choose. If you choose commissions, if you choose spreads, raw, zero, standard, whatever it is, they're going to take their commission somehow or the other. Okay, choose either. Choose either. Let's see what happens in the next 2 minutes, you guys. RD swap will kick in. Um, let's see. There's nothing too much going on. Yes, it is. Big folders like FOMC, NFP, etc., CPI, PPI. These always you'll feel the liquidity die out before we get into those. 15K strong support, absolutely, man. Psychological numbers, which is why I have the TP where I have it. Hmm. Okay, the early swap's gonna kick in the next 40 seconds. Um, let's see what these markets want to do, guys. Doing FOMC, no, buddy. I tried that last month. We didn't have too many people that turned up. Um, I was like, it's not worth it. But yeah, personally, yes, for sure. I'm going to be trading FOMC 100%. Smaller positions, if any of you guys are going to be trading it yourselves, my recommendation would be to use tiny positions. Under leverage your account. Don't even think of over leveraging. Um, it won't be worth it. Okay. Good lord, look at choppy gold, man. Okay, I'm starting to like US 30. Let's see if we have the momentum to break those lows, and you guys could be getting in on a position, okay? But we need to break those lows. We could start to push, go oversold, and get a couple of pips. Oops, and get out. Let's see if we want to get a little bit of a bounce, a retracement, and get rejected from the supply zone, okay? Guys, give me a quick second. I am going to be back. Excuse me. Okay, sorry about that. Nothing's going on, guys. Nothing is going on. Who are you talking to? Talking to our private Zoom members. Guys, extreme chop in these markets. Okay, good rejection on the dirty. All right, people on Zoom, watch for this. Okay, let's see if it wants to play out. This could have been a nice little entry right up there as well. Beautiful rejection from the 900. If you would have caught that, you should already be running by 15 pips. Okay. Me personally, I'm gonna wait. Took a little L, and I don't want to get in prematurely again. I'm gonna respect the entry exit that I always do, my bread and butter. And once that's respected, I'll get in. Okay. Not as of right now. Okay. Volumes out, cigarettes in. You staying for market open? Maybe, maybe. We'll see. Let's see what happens in the next 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. My army of millionaires, you guys on Zoom from our Forex server. What are you guys up to? Are we in on anything? Are we just watching? Let's talk. Let's get to know each other. Tell me where you guys are from. Tell me your experience in these Forex markets. Let me know how you guys found us. Okay. Was it Instagram? Was it TikTok? Was it I think we're running on Facebook as well, or did someone refer you to us? How exactly did you guys come across um, Cash and myself here at Forex Trading? All right, YouTube Shorts is there as well, of course. By faith, awesome. Watching on demo US. Got a reference from another Discord server. Awesome. Insta Shorts, YouTube, and a bit of research. Awesome, guys. We're super happy to have you guys here. We have people from all around the world, which is crazy. We've been, to be fair, for all the for all the new people that have come in here in the past month and a half. Y'all probably don't know this, but we've been streaming live for a whole year. We were just doing it for an extremely private group of people, people that um, are now successfully trading these markets. It's crazy, but we literally we we've been doing this for a year. It's crazy to think about it. I know a lot of you guys are still here, which is crazy. We started off on Project Whitelist on Discord, um, and it the rest is history, man. We're still making that history. It's crazy. Jay got referenced by my wife after watching your live sessions for a few months and then jumped onto your one-on-one coaching, and the rest is history. No regrets. Thankful to hop on the one-on-one coaching. If not, I wouldn't be trading. Appreciate you always, Jay. Appreciate you, my brother. What's the max participants you've seen on your live? I don't know, man. We're not about that stuff. We've hit 100 every once in a while, but listen, we're not really about beating the algo and doing all of that good stuff. All we're about is value. We like to give value. We like to give back to our community, and most importantly, Cash, myself, Milzone, and Yano. Um, we're all looking to build an army of millionaires, guys. Straight up. No kidding. I've been saying this from day one, and I'm going to say it for as long as we do this, and which is going to be a really, really long time. We're building our army of millionaires. Um, we've got big plans with what we're doing here at Forex trading, and we're just working every day, inching closer and closer to it. Value and impact over everything, 100%, buddy. 100%. Okay, slow markets. Gold is literally just up and down, up and down, up and down, back and forth. Um, I'm gonna be extra cautious now. Okay, I know $100 is well on my account. I'm speaking from my account. Please don't think I'm disregarding the value of $100. Absolutely not. But from my personal account, $100 is well within my risk management. Okay, that's usually what I lose on my feeders. Um, but I'm still going to be cautious. Okay, because these markets, they don't seem to be um, respecting price action. And the reason they're not respecting price action is because there's not enough volume in these markets. Okay, maybe for market open, there'll be a surge of volume, and that's what'll get um, um, price action to play out. Okay, but till then, it's the wait game, guys. It's the wait game. Okay, patience is the single most important thing that you need in these markets. Happy to be here. Helps with my discipline. Lovely. We're happy to have you. I'm thinking to close MetaTrader and just enjoy the session. I don't like these candles. That's a good idea. That's a very good idea, Emily. If you don't feel it in your gut, you don't need to get in on a trade. Okay? It's the hardest thing, guys, and believe it or not, it took us years to sort of understand this, which seems like a really simple thing to do, but we're only human and we still struggle with this sometimes as well. But it's just that we don't let the markets take over our emotions anymore. But it's the hardest thing to know when to not trade. It's the hardest thing to look at your charts, look at your MetaTrader, and not hit buy or sell. And that's the trap that the retail traders they fall into constantly, again and again and again and again. That's why they're the retail and they're not professional traders, right? So it sounds really simple to do, but it's really not. And I'm sure everyone on this call has been through it. And if you guys haven't been through it, then you're now gonna go through it because you're just starting up, okay? But after these markets throw you down 1,000 times, You're going to get back up, and the ones that make it are the ones that keep striving forward. Okay, these markets are not if you're emotionally weak. They're not if you're. These markets are not for you. If you're gonna let your, I wouldn't even say emotionally weak. Everyone's different, right? But if you're gonna let the emotions get the better of you, um, you're not going to be a successful trader. It's that simple. So the struggle is not really about learning these markets, because that's something that you do over time, but the struggle is with yourself. The battle is with yourself. It's knowing when to start, it's knowing when to stop, and it's just it's being true to your trading plan and being true to yourself. Okay, look at the drops coming in. Um, I've improved my emotional control since I've been in Forex. Congratulations, buddy. I'm glad we're able to do that for you. Hmm. Okay, the indices starting to sell off again. Let's make a couple of updates to this chart. So we're building in some 5 minute support here, right? And if we want to break past, no. Okay, if we break past that, that looks good. Okay, if not, this is what I'd be looking for now. About emotional control, I got something to tell you in our session, and I think this is good. Honestly, lovely. Looking forward to hearing. Emotional control is something I need to keep strengthening. We're always going to have to do that, JJ. That's going to be nonstop. If you guys think that um, my emotions or Cash's emotions are completely thrown out of the window, you guys are wrong, and I don't want to lie to you all. Okay, we're only human, and we do get affected because losses affect everyone. The the whole the whole sort of what your job or what your duty is in these markets is to understand that the losses are going to happen, right? If someone's telling you they don't have losses, they're full of shit, stay away from them. The losses are going to happen, but what do you as a technical trader do to minimize those losses and maximize the profits? There are multiple areas that you need to look at. You need to look at the technical analysis side of things. You need to look at um, the risk management side of things, and most importantly, the thing that most novice traders or beginner traders struggle with, you need to look at the psychological side of things. These three pieces are the major pieces of this big puzzle, and you need to put these three pieces together in order to be a profitable trader. You know, if one of them is slightly off, it's not going to add up, right? So it's more than just it's more than just um, the TA, and it's more than just the risk management. Okay, I love that, JJ. I love to hear that, brother. Good for you. You've come an extremely long way. I remember when we started off our sessions, and I know that you're still struggling with a couple of things, but trust in the process. Trust in yourself. Trust in us. Okay, if we can do it, anyone can. I say this 100 times. If we can do it, Cash and I, guys, for the people that are new on here, to give you all a little bit of background, we we're we, we've got zero financial education or anything of that sort. We come from complete non-financial backgrounds. We're artists. Cash and I, we're filmmakers. We have done our masters in drama, in acting, and we're not 5 years back, I could see this, right? even though I was on the brink of being profitable, but I could see that yes, this is a career. But 10 years back, if someone would have told me that oops, I just almost took my name, that Cram, you're you're going to be a freaking forex analyst, a market analyst, I'd be like, what? Who are you shitting, man? What are you talking about, right? But it is what it is. You know, things happen, life happens, and always be grateful. We certainly are, and that's one of the biggest reasons that we're here giving back, because these markets have been gracious to us. It's changed our lives, and we truly believe if we can do it, anyone can. Okay, gold buys are coming in finally. Yes, all right. So news released. We had that little liquidity drop. Let's see if we want to break past that and get the move. Lol, we know your name. Well, some of y'all do, not all of y'all, but some of y'all do. I mean, I have no issue with you guys knowing my name, by the way, but it's just, yeah, there are too many people on the internet, and I just don't feel comfortable in giving out that personal information. But yes, of course, the guys that have been here, y'all know what I go by. Okay, come on, let's get it, gold. Let's get it. Let's push. Let's get our pips. Let's call it a session, and let's hit our profit targets for the day. Okay, let's take a look at the RSI. RSI is starting to look good. Let's take a look at the higher time frames. 15, nice. The hourly supply kicking in on the hourly. Look at all of these wicks, man. These buys. Fuck me. Okay, excuse me. Sorry, YouTube. Don't give us a strike. But no, I this this is something that really bothers me, guys. I'm not even kidding. This wick is something that really bothers me. We've got a lot of traffic, a lot of wicks that we have to break past on the daily. This can happen, but please take your pips and get out as and when it does. Okay, don't think that it's going to give you a 100 pip move. It could, but that wouldn't be the safe thing to do. Okay, we're also building into a little bit of a channel over here. All right, we're very much within the channel on the 4 hours. And look at that. We tested this region out on the 29th of June. Okay. So we're here about 45, 50 days later, and we're now testing this region out again. Okay. So let's see if we have the momentum to actually break past that. If you ask me personally, I don't think we do, but we've still got a couple of pips to potentially sell off. Okay. So let's see. FOMC could fill these imbalances, and we'll see how it goes from there. Good lord, these markets are so slow today. It's ridiculous. Okay. Still not doing much. Okay, 40 seconds. Let's hope this freaking candle closes in that goddamn boxer structure. Okay? I'm sorry, babe. You made your pips on? Okay. Cash is saying she made some pips on Nasdaq. Guys, why? Like, why? I don't get it. I seriously don't get why you guys do that. It's. Hmm. The freaking candle didn't close in our box. Okay? But if we get that break, we could still push higher, but the candle didn't close in our box. Okay, so we've got about 10 more minutes to market open. I'm going to stay for market open now, obviously. and we'll see how the first candle goes, and then we'll decide. Okay. Hmm. What do y'all think is going to happen for market open on Nasdaq? What do y'all think, guys? And that's what I think should happen. Zero. The only trade I saw today was retest of Nasdaq. It was total of 16 pips. Yeah, there's not too much volume. I like the bulls kicking in on Nasdaq. I mean, naturally, I lost a small position on it, which means that's what I'm looking for. Um, but yeah, it's not necessary that it has to happen right now. So we're gonna wait for confirmation. Nasdaq shot. Well, no. I mean, it could shot 100%, but if we break below this region, okay, below this. Okay, these buys are looking good. Watch for it. Let's see if we have the momentum to get it. Come on. There you go. Anyone in on gold? It's too close to market open for me. All right, I want to be careful. Okay, too close to market open. I'm gonna wait. Better to wait for market open. I agree. I agree, Baha. If gold wants to create a higher high, next stop is up there. Okay. One-on-ones. The ones that have been through session 3 or more. What is the RSI indicating at this moment? Come on, you guys. What are we seeing on the RSI as confluence? Zero, Kyle. Good job. Good job. Neha. Awesome. Okay. It's starting to get very, very clear. Um, let's see if we have the momentum to get that move, man. I've been waiting on this. I've been waiting on it for quite some time. You guys know it. But let's see if we have the momentum to get that move. Okay. 6 more minutes to market. 5 more minutes to market open. Look at that. Anyone in on gold? All right. This could be another little retest and a push. Okay. So I think we could get that fill. I'm in. Take out your profits, brother. All right. You're really close to market open, and it's gold. Please take out your profits as soon as you can, or at least try to set yourself in a break-even spot. Okay. This can absolutely push, but realize that it takes only the blink of an eye for gold to come back down. Okay. There you go. There you go. Come on, push for the ones that are in on gold. Push for our army of millionaires. Let's get this. Let's go hit TP on gold. Nasdaq right back down. Chop City, you guys. For real, Chop City. Okay. 10 pip move on gold. Hmm. Do we have any people from Dubai on the stream? Do we have any Dubai folks on here? Any Gulf kids? I was born and raised in Dubai. Um, lived there practically my whole life. Hey, Refinal Rika, what the fuck, bro? Okay, excuse my language. I literally grew up in Rika. I grew up in Rika. That's crazy, crazy. Wolf of Kortalim, I know who you are. Wolf of Kortalim. That's funny. I have been to Dubai. Awesome. Okay, let's get it. I'm surprised. We're trading Forex and we don't have too many Dubai folks on. That's surprising. We used to, I would assume a lot of Dubai kids, a lot of Dubai people would be on the stream, but it is what it is. All right, let's see how these markets want to treat us in the next 2.5 minutes, guys. Listen, I'm telling you all straight up. If the sells kick in, I'm not going to trade this. I'm going to trade FOMC and I'll make my money then. When am I going to trade this? Only and only if these buys kick in and damn it, the ones that are still in on this, take out your profits, okay? Don't be greedy. Take what you get and be happy, okay? My eyes are going to be up here. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't happen, I'm out and I'm going to trade FOMC and just I'm going to do my thing, okay? Okay. Gold's on the move. Yes, it is. It is. A minute, okay? Listen, we've almost hit TP1 on gold. Please take out your profits. I'm not kidding. Even if you got in on the retest, you should have made about 10 pips. Take it out. Slow day. These markets don't owe you those 10 pips. Just be happy, okay? And we hit TP on gold. Right there. Okay, so I have an order that's sitting up for Nasdaq right now. Okay. Where's it at? It's going to be somewhere up in that region because I want to give it some room for the liquidity grab. So I'm looking at round about this candle. Okay. Market open in the next 25 seconds. 42 people, not so bad. We got the moves yesterday with 40. It seems like we don't need the 25 number no more, which is awesome. Let's have a good market open, you guys. Let's get in, get out, and take our pips and just take what's ours. Okay. This is market open. Okay. Starting to go bullish. Gold came back down. Let's see if gold wants to pick up support from here. All right, maybe we pick up some support from here and then we start to push back up. Okay, so my smaller position on Nasdaq did get triggered in. right over here. Again, I'm in on a small position and I'm going to wait for confirmation because I'm already down one small position. Okay. Oof, look at that. Anyone in on this guy? Beautiful. We caught nice little support from demand, and as you can see, we tested exactly that supply zone, and boom, we caught buyers. Okay, so they're trying to prime this up. Let's see if they want to hold. Okay, because if they don't hold here and here, they're then gonna start to come back down. All right. Shitty market open, you guys. Shitty market open. I'm in again with only $5 a pip. Just letting you guys know, $5 a pip. Should have been trading US 30, man. Is anyone in on the dirty? 30 pips on the impulse for the dirty. Got dirty. Congratulations, Kyle, my man. Where's my stop loss going to be for this guy? It's going to be here again. Okay. And if we start to break those lows, actually, it's going to be 15K. If it breaks 15K, I'm out of these markets straight up. Okay. I'm not taking more than two L's, even though they're small positions. It's not good for me psychologically. Okay. So let's see if we want to break that. Caught 40 pips. Awesome, Kurt. Congratulations. Guys, I'm just going to set a hard stop loss on this, okay? Because I'm going to be moving around from chart to chart, so I don't want to get on anything too crazy. 115, 14999.1. Okay, I got stopped out, you guys. I'm done. That's two L's for me today. Small positions, but an L is an L. I I lost 125 on this trade again. Okay, so that puts me down by $225 for the day, and it's not a big deal. It's a small number for my account. I'm not complaining. I'm gonna wait for confirmation. Okay, I'm not going to FOMO into. Wow, look at fucking the dirty. Okay, I'm not gonna just jump in, but I'm gonna wait because look at that. And the rejections kick in now, right? I should have held on for 10 more pips. US 30, yes. Retest on gold. Okay, now if US 30 breaks this, boom, we're pushing up to that level. Okay, next stop on the US 30 if we happen to break that. But beautiful candle, we should have been looking at the dirty. Straight up, we should have been looking at the dirty. I'm gonna wait for a new candle close retest rejection to see if anything could come through because this is now the only one that's really giving us. It's funny to think, right? But this whole thing is the impulse, right? So just your impulsive candle on the US 30 is 68 pips, right? And that's not even the whole impulse. I'm only talking about a breaker structure zone. Okay, but that's a big impulse candle. Horrible markets today, you guys. Horrible markets today, but it's a great lesson for the ones that stuck around. To let you all know that we take L's too. All right, everyone takes L's. It's part of this game that we call trading. It's part of anything that you do in life, and how you overcome these and move forward is the only thing that matters. Okay, so don't be affected by these small L's that come in every now and then. Okay, when I make my profits are usually $3,000 to $5,000 based off of my lot sizing. So $225 is not really gonna hurt me. Okay, skyrocket impulse, yeah, yeah. Okay, so they're actually picking resistance from the 15K now, right? So that's what's going on. Okay, back to support. Let's see. We break this high. I'm gonna hop in. Okay, come on. I'm gonna be trigger finger. I am in on the dirty. All right, there you go. I'm running on the dirty. I'm running on the dirty. I'm pulling it out because I don't like this. It's too risky for me right now. Whew. All right, I just got my 10 pips on the. There you go. Still running. 20 pips on the dirty and counting. 25 pips. There you freaking go. Okay, boom. I pulled out my position. I cashed. Uh, okay, this is what I mean by we get emotional in these markets too. Okay, I cashed 26 pips on 30 bucks a pip when we happen to break that. Um, I lost $225, but I made 26 pips on a 30 lot, which is $300 a pip. Okay, this is what I mean by patience. This is what I mean by handling these markets the right way. And this is what I mean. But look at that. Look at that. This freaking guy is coming in as well right now. Okay, wait for it to close. If not, you guys know the moves. Okay, this was the move that I wanted to get in on. I'm going to send my position out on Zoom. Give me a quick second. Did anyone catch the US 30 with me? Anyone catch the US 30? I told you guys where I was getting in on this. W on W with you. Sure did. W. Yes. Awesome. Okay, so you guys did catch it with me. US 30 is skyrocketing, man. Triggered when you called. I love it. I love it. I love the fact that you guys are actually getting in with me. Now, listen, if this session doesn't teach you something, I don't know what does. Okay, we do this for free for you guys every single day. Look at the dirty man. We do this free for you guys every single day. All we ask for in return are some success stories on our Forex server. Okay, if you bank some pips with me right now, or even if you learned something today, um, go ahead and post that up on success stories. Okay, I always tell you guys a little appreciation goes a really long way, and post it up for us, man. We do this for you. We're not going to stop doing it. We're going to keep at it, but show us some love. Okay, I'm going to end the session real soon. I'm just going to show you guys my position. This is only for Zoom. You know what, Zoom, stay on the call. I'm going to end YouTube and I'm going to be back. Thank you so much, YouTube. Go ahead and join the Forex server. Links in the description. We'll see you guys tomorrow for London and New York. Hope you guys learned a lot. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, YouTube.